I got diamonds from Pecoris Senpai!
That's because of... Wait, come back here. Come back here. That's because of me, you know. I talked to her for you.